Hey, so this is my bad. I had that video yesterday I posted here on the channel, and there's a free bonus that I have for you that I forgot to tell you about. My bad. Here's what I want you to do. You're going to use the link below in the description to get it. When you hit this page, you're going to see something that looks like here, go to the webinar to watch it. And on this free training, you do want to see this because it is really the elephant in the room webinar century. If you're looking to make money using free traffic, it's badass. Anyways, you're going to register. When you see this, you may be, what do you call it? You may be too late, all right? In fact, because the webinar, we're posting this Wednesday, the webinar is Tuesday, so you did miss it, but we'll still put a link there so you can register to watch the replay of the training. That's Mike Long right there, my buddy. And basically right below this video, you'll see there's this report called Screw the Rat Race. It's a 2-page PDF, it's just 2 pages, but it's badass. All right, and in those 2 pages, you're gonna go through a shift in your mindset using a special technique I use to get huge changes in my clients really quickly. That's gonna motivate the shit out of you. It's gonna fuck procrastination, and it's gonna make it so you're just gonna be filled with this kind of sense that maybe you haven't in a while of power and confidence and clarity and direction and decisiveness, all those things that we need to dominate our lives in every area, okay? So the bonus is completely free for you, Screw the Rat Race. As you register for the training, there's a little graphic of it. You're gonna like it, trust me on this, so use that link below. Thanks so much for being a badass and an action taker, and I'll see you soon.